Smart bulb lights combine built-in features and intuitive integrations to make building your smart home easy. Connect your light seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, other smart things. These smart bulbs make your home so much beautiful. So now discuss different types of smart bulb. 1. LifeX Mini White Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Bulb. Just plug in and get started with all the intelligence built into the light. It is easy to kick-start your connected home. No technical skills or additional hardware needed. The LED lights use less energy to put out more light than your standard incandescent light. With the LED lifetime of 22.8 years, they will help reduce wastage. Set your lights to come on or off at any time of the day with schedules, or use day dusk automation which tailors the brightness of your light to complement your day. It is easy to use and easy to installation. Just download the LifeX, follow the on-screen instructions and enjoy with this light. This is incredible shades of white light with that adjust on your mood. With simple in-app or voice control dimming, you can set the right mode for any time of the day. 2. Philips. Set the mode with 16 million colors. Control your Philips Hue smart light all with just the touch of a button on your mobile device or your favorite voice assistant. Adapt to 10 Hue Bluetooth smart bulb with the Hue Bluetooth app. This smart light, while Bluetooth compatible, will continue to work with your Hue hub and can be seamlessly integrated into your current Hue ecosystem. With the Hue hub, you can control up to 50 smart lights throughout your home. Create timers and routines to automate your entire smart home lighting setup. Control your light while away from home, or add accessories such as motion sensors and smart switches to further enhance your experience. Style up your home decor with color accent or set up fun light colors for your next party. Sport your day with preset light recipes to get you energized in the morning and wind you down after a long day. When ready to connect a voice assistant, just go to setting, add voice assistant in the Hue app. 3. Smart Wi-Fi light bulb with single color changing smart bulbs that work with Alexa and Google Home. Control your smart light bulb via voice commands to turn your smart bulbs on and off. Create colorful mode scenes, adjust brightness and more. Designed with 16 million colors and whites combinations, easily set up via using Siglant Home app. Turn smart light bulb on and off whenever you have Wi-Fi connections. Program timers and routines to automate your entry at home. So control your Alexa light bulb while away from home. Enhance your smart home with smart Wi-Fi bulb color changing lights. This control remotely wherever you are. Set timers and light schedules, automating your smart light bulb to make it seem like someone is home even when you are away. You can also create a group for all of your Alexa light bulb and easily group control your smart light bulb with Alexa. The Siglant Smart Wi-Fi light bulb dimmable connect to your home secure. Easily set up using Siglant Home app. Schedules your smart light to slowly light up. Starting at the set time, the smart bulb will slowly brighten throughout the time span you set. So your lights will slowly get brighter in the morning, and you can also schedule your lights to simulate a sunset so that you can fall asleep more naturally every evening. 4. Another smart Wi-Fi light bulb, Echo Dot and Google Home Assistant control the Wi-Fi bulb via your voice, so no hub required. With the free plus minus app on your smartphone or tablet, you can turn on and off the Alexa enable smart light white bulb whenever and where are you at home. Create your favorite light effect with 16 million colors, and brightness of every color is dimmable. You may also set up schedules to turn on and off according to the preset time. You can set different light modes on plus minus apps to match various occasions including kitchen, living room, bedroom. Wi-Fi LED smart light bulb also can be used for table lamp, cafe bar, party. So friendly and professionally support team are at your services too. So if you like this product and want to purchase, then click on the link that is below in the description.